Ready, everyone? Now look here. Is it sounding like chocolate? Now look here. So we started the session. Shall we begin? Now look here. First we will start with transportation work. Transportation already we know now. Life process, digestive system, all the question answers we are going to do. One by one I will show you all the answers. So first transportation we are going to start. So when we are starting transportation, let's see what are all things are there. Just have a quick review of transportation work. Let's see question answers of transportation. Get ready for it, please. Okay, children, are you all ready? So transportation already we know most of the questions related to transportation. So important question only I am going to ask from all of you. Get ready for it. Okay. In transportation part, the blood leaving the tissue becomes richer in carbon dioxide, water, hemoglobin, or oxygen. What is the correct answer? The blood leaving the tissues become richer in carbon dioxide, water, hemoglobin, and oxygen. Ritujan, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. So start answering the question. Good evening, everyone. Come first. Ayo. Happy to see my children here. Come. Come. Take chair. Chair for you. Am I audible, everyone? No problem. Those children who are present online, offline, whatever is there. Sanjay, you're okay, Sanjay? Fully wet or you need something? Okay, fine. Now listen, everyone. The first answer: the blood vessel that is richer in what? What can be richer in blood vessels? It is rich in carbon dioxide. Okay. The blood vessel will be richer in carbon dioxide. Now, next question, please kindly go for it. That surrounds the heart. Dash surrounds the heart. Come on, second answer, give fast. Dash surrounds the heart. Dash surrounds the heart. What is the correct answer? What surrounds the heart? Dash surrounds the heart. What is the correct answer? Dash surrounds the heart. What is the answer? Pericardium surrounds the heart. Absolutely correct. The pericardium is the muscle that is surrounding the heart. See, septum separate. See, please understand this one. What and all things are there, I need to discuss because see, this is the final time and we have to revise nicely. Okay. Now look at it. When somebody will be asking you what is surrounding the heart, your correct answer will be see, pericardium is a muscle, none of these walls are present inside the heart. Understood? It is exactly separating the atrium, the left atrium and the right atrium is separated by septum. Understood? And the walls are just that open what you call the tubes or what you can say, which is exactly good afternoon, Vishwa. So definitely it is separating the upper chamber and the lower chamber. It prevents the backflow of the blood. So that is the work of valve. Water now, so you do one thing. Dry place. That surrounds the heart. That is pericardium surrounds the heart. Next question. Valve ensure the blood does not backflow inside the heart. Is it true or false? The statement is absolutely true. Because the valve is exactly not allowing the heart to let the blood go backside. Next one. The fishes, the heart receives only pure blood. The fishes, the heart is receiving the pure blood. Ovian, this is last time I'm telling you. First is life class. Second is continuously 10 minutes we are talking. Come on, say. The fishes, the heart receives pure blood. Is it true? How many of you are saying the statement is true or false, Jotham? Can't say. See, I'm not in mood to talk joke like that. Today and tomorrow I have to finish biology. So if you are not serious, you can say me. First 10. How many of you are saying the statement is true or false? False. The thing here is, everybody please remember one thing. When the fishes is exactly having double circulation or single circulation, they say the heart will pump the blood to the gills. Understood or not? Now from gills, whatever blood will come, it will slowly distribute to the body. The body will have respiration and then the blood will be going to the heart. Again, the heart will pump the deoxygenated blood to the gills. Understood or not? See, this chamber, this cross is exactly done by like that. So see, this is the heart of the fish and exactly the gills are present. The gills will give oxygenated blood to the entire body. The body will exactly do respiration and then it will give to heart. The heart with high pressure pumps the blood, deoxygenated blood to the gills. So this is exactly one single circulation part is there. So one single circulation part is there. Everybody participate here today. So this is the fish, the heart receives only pure blood is wrong. Understood? In fish, the heart is not receiving the pure blood. The heart is actually transporting the carbon dioxide rich blood. Remember this statement. Go for the next one. Single circulation blood flow through the heart only once during one cycle of passing through the body is exhibited by lobio, cameleon, salamander. Please answer this question. Hippocampus. Come on, go for it. Lobio, chameleon, salamander, hyla, rhina, dorco. You need to search the category of fish. Whale, no, whale is not having that. Whale is a different entity. Whale can circulate blood. See, hyla, what is called? Rana and dorco. Hippocampus, exocetus or anabas. Among these two you search. How many of you are saying the answer B? Come on, check. How many of you are saying the answer C? I have given you both the answers. Hyla, Rana and Dorco. Draco, sorry. Hyla, Rhina, and Draco. Among these two, search which one is having. Come on, say. Okay, most of the students are telling B, that is hippocampus, exocytus, or anabas. See, when you will be talking about Hyla, Rana, and Draco, they are type of fish and frog. Understood or not? See, if you seriously not ready to study this, you inform me. I'm leaving all my appointments and standing here. Everyone pay attention here. Hyla, Rhino, and Draco, they are quality of lizard and frogs. But here, hippocampus, exocytus, and anabas, they are quality of fish. Understood? The correct answer, because the fishes are having single circulation. The fishes are having what circulation? Single circulation. So what is the correct answer? B. Understood? So hippocampus, exocytus, and anabas are quality of fish. Remember this one, otherwise mistake will come. Come on, crocodile have dash chambered heart. Okay, crocodiles are amphibians, correct or not? So the amphibians will have three chambered hearts. The oxygenated and deoxygenated bloods are mixing. So what they are having? Three chambered heart. They are correct. Everybody, those who are participating here, listen very carefully and start answering the questions. Lymph does not comprise of red blood corpuscles, lymphocytes, white blood corpuscles, and nitrogenous waste. Lymph is not having what? Lymph is another circulatory system which will be consisting of what you call colorless blood. Understood not? Colorless means white color part. Understood not? Another important point about lymph is lymphs are exactly the interstitial tissues, wastes are there. That wastes they are exactly consisting of. Understood not? And these interstitial tissues waste will be exactly getting collected and they will be exactly getting what you call going inside the lymph for further purification. Understood not? The lymph will have lymph nodes. Already we have discussed about it. So red blood cells will not be there in lymphatic system. So only lymphatic system, the blood is exactly the fluid that is present in lymphatic system is colorless. The fluid present in lymphatic system is colorless. Understood? Now can we go for this question? Come on, go for it. Dash and dash forms a continuous system of water conducting channel that reaches all part of the plant. See, tracheids and vessels. Dash and dash forms a continuous system of water conducting channel to reach us. The xylem is for water, this is for food. Phloem and vessels, phloem is for food and vessels are for water. Understood? So vessels and tracheids. Understood? So xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem can be the answers. But here problem is phloem with tracheids. So tracheids and vessels. Understood? So vessels will be what? Vessels will be. Come on, go for this question, beta. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Could you do chapters revision today? Back to back, I have to do 2-3 chapters revision. Is it done? See, look here. You people, what is the answer? Did you get an idea what answer is coming? Xylem, mineral. Phloem, see, phloems are having companion cells. That is a true answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is not there?
Here B companion cell is not there. C if ma'am for B
Where is 5 not there?
B
In B, 5 is not there. This is 3 and this is 5.
not that ma'am, that B ma'am. Flow and B.
B,
Ma'am, first
Down
column.
that first column. First column, second row.
first column, second row, this is 4.
Ma'am, B next to
Ma'am,
You come and you show. What are you telling? I can't understand.
A B ma'am.
A, B, C, D, E. See, look here. If phloem companion cell is not showing, that means companion cell is not the correct answer. See, what is this? What is that written as? Root pressure. Root pressure will be exactly where translocation and all. You just need to check this nicely and inform. So here all the students are telling that D is the correct answer. See, D is the correct answer means xylem is having companion cell. Sorry, xylem is having minerals. Okay. Then second one they are telling that sucrose necessary. Second one, there are 2 means sucrose they are consisting. Root one is exactly having companion cells. Transpiration is night or necessary evil. Translocation. This is a very good question. Everybody, please kindly go for it. Third will not be there. Come on, go for it, everyone. Think very nicely and then answer this question. See, for the now from here for me also it is visible. Xylem, phloem. You need to first check. See, transpiration. Transpiration is necessary evil. Why transpiration is considered as necessary evil? The reason behind is like most of the water will be drained by the plant because of transpiration. So here D will be having 3. So D will be having 3 means here also D is having 3, here also D is having 3 and here also D is having 3. Now next part, translocation. Translocation is what? What translocation is done? Translocation of what is done? Either sucrose translocation will be done, check nicely, or translocation means what? Food. So transfer of food, translocation, night to not correct. Translocation sucrose can be possible. Translocation mineral or companion cell. Companion cell with translocation is not going to be correct. So either 1 will be correct, night, or either 2 will be correct. Understood? So translocation of sucrose can be done. Transpiration is necessary evil. Understood not? Now root pressure, exactly what root pressure they are talking about. Xylem will be having companion cells and phloem will be exactly having minerals. So phloem goes minerals and then root pressure will be in night. Companion cell is going for phloem, that is the correct option.
But here it's not here.
Yes, companion cell will go for phloem. There is no other companion. That means we have to check these 2 answers. Because companion cell translocation is exactly they are telling going with companion cell. It is also not correct. Understood now? So what and all are there? See, listen, I am just discussing this one. Check this one out. When xylem will be there, xylem will be for minerals. So we have one time we are exactly going to check options correct or wrong. That is different. Xylem will be for minerals. Phloem will be for companion cell. Root pressure. Transpiration, necessary, evil. Translocation, sucrose. Root pressure, night. This is the correct option. Understood now? So if options are not here and there means we can go with C. Okay, C is the coming as the correct answer. Good. Now we will go with assertion reason. But before assertion reason questions, one final content I need to discuss. One part I need to discuss in life process. Okay, see, in kidney, one question is 100% coming. 110% from these many years, kidney is one section from where kidney and heart are two important things that is exactly asked in CBSE again and again. Understood not? So you must be very acquainted like, okay, fine, kidney I am knowing and heart I am knowing. Understood not? So when you are studying digestive system, in that part, kidney and heart, we must do and go. Correct now? So now look here. Because metal on metal also, so nitrogenous waste minerals, one time we are going to first understand that what is the proper function of kidney. What is the work of kidney? Purification of or filtration of blood. Purification, no, the correct answer is filtration of blood. It is not purifying blood, it is filtering blood. That's very good idea to come here. It's not purification, it's filtration. Yes, it's filtration of blood. Filtration of blood from what beta? Now, my second question is nitrogenous waste. So, nitrogenous waste in the blood will get filtered. Nitrogenous waste. Some pick points we are going to filtration of blood. Now, look at them. So, unicellular organism remove these waste by simple diffusion. See, they will ask these questions. Don't tell me that time that ma'am, at that time I got confused. That word is every time I'm hearing from my ears. Most of the students are telling I got confused in examination. There is no such things confusion. You get some clear content here. Understand not? See, open and close blood system and that we are going to do today. That is for sure. This is the second part for sure we are going to do. See, listen first very carefully. What in all things are there? One time we are going to remember the important contents here. See, nitrogenous waste materials generated due to metabolic activities. Many questions they are asking ki how this nitrogenous waste material is generated. The nitrogenous waste material is generated into the body due to the metabolic activities. So what generates the nitrogenous waste? Metabolic activity. And what metabolic activity? What do you call catenation and catenation. No. Now he went carbon. So now beta listen. First to Maha, can you post in the group all the online children to join the sessions? Those children who did not make it here, I am seeing Veda, Ilavarsan, Tarun, and what you call Maha, Ashvita, Kritika. After that, Vasant. So please pay attention. Sarmila informed to join as fast as possible. After that, Anu, you informed to join as fast as possible. All the children to join as fast as possible. Now, better look here. I'm going to go to the most important part. Is the metabolism is creating one very important thing. That is catabolism. Catabolism is breaking of complex food material into simpler one. Understood? So in this process, what happens? Lots of waste, nitrogenous waste is generated. What is generated? Nitrogenous waste. So these nitrogenous waste has to be filtered from the blood. And so the kidney is taking the whole responsibility of removing the nitrogenous waste from the blood. I hope you might have understood. So kidney is one of the most important organ of human body. So it has taken the whole load of purifying what? Blood. The whole load of filtration of blood. Very good. Super. Now after that, this is coming good. So now look here. The process by which harmful metabolic waste products are eliminated by the body is called as excretion. This question hardly in 20 to 40 years they have never asked what is excretion. Understood not? But they will ask that which organ is responsible for filtration of blood. They will ask that what generates the waste in the blood. Metabolic activities. Metabolic activities are generating what? Nitrogenous waste. Metabolic activities are generating what, beta? Nitrogenous waste. Sanjay, everybody understood now? To the point we will write and clearly we will write the question and answers. Excretion in human being. So kidney is playing one of the most important organ for clearing. Veda, good evening, Veda. So now look here. Please pay attention here. Kidney. We are going to understand some. See, these features of kidney they will not ask. This much clear questions they will not ask. What questions they are going to ask? I am standing for that. Understood or not? So kidney is for purification or filtration of blood. The correct answer is kidney is for filtration of blood. Understood? So what it is filtering? Nitrogenous waste like urea, uric acid that is present in the blood. Understood? So it is exactly filtering that. Now next important question to be asked here is, are, see, I am very tired of both of you. Next time before session I will not allow both of you. Now you need to understand that the kidney accessory parts will be there. What is the meaning of accessory parts? So you need to understand that the other specific tubes or segments that is connected to kidney, because after filtration the waste has to be excreted out from the body. Understand or not? So the excretion of the waste system can be done by ureters, urinary bladder and urethra, where urethra is the opening. Urinary bladder is the pouch or the sac-like muscular structure which is exactly storing what? Urine. And ureters are what? They are paired muscular tubule which is exactly doing what work? It is passing the urine from kidney to bladder. Understood or not? So the passage of passage of waste from kidney to bladder is done with the help of ureter. And then urethra is the opening. Urethra is the opening. Understood or not? Now, very good. Now go for the next part, function of kidney. So if somebody will be asking you function of kidney, then what answer you are going to give about function of kidney? See, function of kidney means one answer everybody will write. What you are going to write other than that students? Filtration of blood is the function of kidney. That's the first important point everybody should write. I hope everybody are understanding that. Filtration of what? Kidney. Filtration of kidney, who said? Filtration of blood. Understood? Now go for it. So, but the thing here is, what is the best word to write which nobody will write? The answer is removal of metabolic nitrogenous waste. Removal of metabolic nitrogenous waste. This answer, see, filtration of blood to all the students will write. Nearly 10 lakh students will write this. What we will write extra than other students? Filtration of metabolic nitrogenous waste. Right? Filtration of metabolic nitrogenous waste. Filtration of metabolic nitrogenous waste. The sessions we are going to keep for highlighting the most important answers. Now, whatever has not been done, we are going to do that work. Yes, Kritika, we will write some extra answers here. We'll not write like that. We'll write some very different answers. So, filtration of what? So, filtration of metabolic nitrogenous waste. So, this will sound much better than blood, na? Correct? So, filtration of blood means filtration of what? Metabolic nitrogenous waste. Filtration of metabolic nitrogenous waste. Second part, removal of and then what? Water and salt balance, that is called as osmoregulation. This is the most important point. All the students will write only 1 point, but my children will write how many points? 2 points. Osmoregulation is also balance of salt in blood is very important. Okay, last moment now. No, I want to make it very clear. No, Ovian, focus should be totally in class. Sanjay, Ovian, Vishwa, last moment I am very serious about the content. I want 80 out of 80 means I want 80 out of 80. I am standing here not for wasting everyone's time. So fully listen, and Ovian, not even one single smile I want from you. I want a total focus from you. Understood, Jyotam? So what is the meaning of osmoregulation? Balancing of salt and water. Balancing of
Salt and water.
that is called as what? Osmoregulation. That is called as what? Osmoregulation. To the point content we will write. Understood or not? So what are the two functions of kidney? And second one? Understood? They are, what is nitrogenous waste? Right. They are ammonia, urea, uric acid and creatinine. All of these substances are produced from protein metabolism. So whenever we will do any activity, all will be obtained from what? Protein metabolism. Remember this one. So nitrogenous wastes are what? Ammonia, urea, uric acid and creatinine. Note down these words and just flow this. Urea, uric acid, creatinine and yes, ammonia, urea, uric acid and creatinine. They are exactly obtained due to protein metabolism. So metabolic activity is what? Protein metabolism. Metabolic activity is what? Protein metabolism. Online class. Protein metabolism. I hope you might have understood. It is considered as what? Protein metabolism. So this is the most important answer we must remember. Okay. Now we will go for the next one. Can we go for the next section, please? What is protein metabolism? It is denoting the various biochemical process responsible for synthesis of protein. So in that part, Navita, this catabolism work means essential amino acid must be consumed that are made in other organisms. So definitely this much now I am not going to teach because they will not ask for this much. Yes, during class time I taught this. During class time, Vishwa, you remember I have discussed everything. But now for examination point of view, we must know that the waste is exactly what? Metabolism waste. Understood or not? And that is what specifically coming from protein. And what are the nitrogenous waste? Urea, uric acid, creatinine and understood? So these are the waste. Kidney is filtering it. Now human, now we are going to see this diagram many times in MCQs also. They will be asking this. They will tell you to label the part. Understood or not? So in most of the sample papers on an examination pattern, if you will see it very clearly and thoroughly, you will be seeing that they will be exactly drawing this and they'll tell you to label it. Understood? In option they will be writing. So this is called as urethra, bladder, ureter, kidney. Understood? Urethra, bladder, ureter and kidney. That's it. And then here, see, human metabolic waste include carbon dioxide. Note down. What in all? Carbon dioxide, water, salt and urea. Human waste. What in all are human waste? See, that example what you have written is animals waste also. Understood or not? But human what waste is coming? This is a question what many times this is asking. Human waste is water, carbon dioxide, urea, salt. Water, carbon dioxide, urea and salt. Note down. Water, carbon dioxide, urea and salt. 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 Understood? Water, carbon dioxide, urea and salt. Salt, remember. I request you people to remember salt. Urea, everybody will remember. In human. That amino acid and all that are another one. Understood or not? So all the organisms are going to secrete for human urea, carbon dioxide, water and salt. Understood? So now it is this excretory organs already we have understood. Now look at this is like metabolism. Metabolism is specifically what are the metabolism activities are there? See, food intake, digestion of food, water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, perspiration, all are exactly coming. Understood or not? So here we are going to go for the second part. This is most important. Understood or not? So here, whenever we will see kidney, we will be trying to talk about the kidney glomerulus. Understood or not? So we need to nephron. Nephron is what? So like cells are the basic unit of Understood not? Life process fundamental unit of life. In the same way, nephrons will be there. Understood not? So nephrons will be consisting of Bowman capsule and tubule. Bowman capsules and tubule. Each nephron unit is consisting of Bowman capsule and tubule. Nephrons will be consisting of what? Bowman capsule and tubule. Bowman capsule and tubule. So now let's check this one out. We are going to talk about this part. Now look at this is the most important section we need to discuss. Got it? Now look at it. I will be taking some 2 to 3 minutes for explaining this part. Understood? So now look at it. First, this part is coming from heart. Understood not? So when it is coming from heart, it is called as renal artery. This comes under artery. So now here, when it is coming, this capsule is called as Bowman capsule. So this Bowman capsule is called as glomerulus capsule also and Bowman. So why it is called as glomerulus? Because can you see this vessels parts are there? So these vessels part only, when the blood will be going, oxygenated blood will go inside, what will happen? Water and everything will be exactly taken in. Understood? And through this glomerulus capsule, it will go inside the tubule section. Understood not? So this tubule section will be exactly taking the blood. Understood not? Which part of the blood? See, blood will be constituting of RBC, WBC, platelets. Understood not? But RBC, WBC will not be going. What will be going? The fluid part of the blood will be going. Understood? In which protein and some part of protein will be there, nitrogenous waste will be there, water will be there. Understood not? And here reabsorption takes place. So this is called as proximal convoluted tubule. The one which is going down is called as PCT. What is the naming of PCT? Proximal convoluted tubule. And this Henle's loop is there. This loop is called as Henle's loop. Loop of Henle. Understood? This turning is called as loop of Henle. This is called as descending limb and this is ascending limb. PCT, DCT, Henle's loop. Here is what? PCT. That side. And this is Henle loop. Understood? What is the work of PCT? PCT will give whatever is extra. Understood? Like, see, understand, the tube is coming from glomerulus now. Remember this one, story like story, understand. The tube is coming from glomerulus. So when it is coming from glomerulus, it will be containing water will be there, protein will be there. So what PCT will do? PCT ideally will return back water. Understood not? So this part will be reabsorption chamber. This is reabsorption chamber. This part will be what? Reabsorption chamber. And this part will be that chamber which is exactly collecting of waste. So after Henle's loop now, waste collection will go. So waste collection will go by DCT. And it will be exactly connected to collecting duct. One, giving back. Understood? Like I am standing, Sanjay is standing. Sanjay is standing this side. The moment whatever things came, Sanjay filtered it and returned back. Now whatever is waste left, I will take it and give it to the tube for taking it out as urine. I hope you might have understood. So PCT work is what? Returning. DCT work is collect and give for urination. Understood? So collect and give for urination. Henle's loop is the turning. Henle's loop is what? Turning. So one is reabsorption, one is collection. PCT is for? This section is collection and giving it to? I hope you might have understood this one. So this they will always be asking about most of the parts. So urination, nephron. What is nephron? That is called as urinoferous tubule. So nephron part is consisting of two sections. What are they? Now look here. Nephron will be divided into two segments. One is Malpighian corpuscles. Malpighian corpuscles means glomerulus and Bowman capsule. Glomerulus and Bowman capsule. Understood not? So now let me draw this part so that it will become very easy for you. So first you see this U shaped tube will be there and like this will be there. Understood? And here inside thin blood vessels will be there. Got it? So this blood vessels will look like this wire. Understood? In this wire, big holes will be there. Why these holes will be there? So that blood cells will not come out, fluid will come out. These are very porous. Are you understanding? They are very porous capillaries. Understood or not? Which will allow the exchange of material. Are you understanding? So, beta, the upper section is having which sections? Glomerulus and Bowman capsule. Spelling mistake means half marks will go. Every spelling mistake means how much marks will go? Half marks will go. So you be very specific that you should not do any spelling mistake, beta. I hope you might have understood. So now look here. So Bowman capsule, one end of nephrotic tube as a double layered cup shape. So this is Bowman capsule. This is exactly what? Bowman capsule. Glomerulus, the blood of nephron is supplied by small artery. The artery gets divided into many fine capillaries. So these capillaries are like wires which are having very fine holes. Understood? And the moment blood will go inside, from that holes, the unwanted residues and everything will start seeping inside where? Bowman capsule. Are you understanding, Sanjay? So this is the most important part. The second section is tubule, beta. And tubule is divided into how much type? PCT, DCT, and Henle's loop. Can you repeat with me? PCT, DCT, Henle's loop. So PCT work is give back. Henle's loop is returning, and DCT work is collect the waste and throw it into the yes, collecting depth. So this is exactly the work. Till this much they will not ask, but there is one question which they will hit. Now can you see this part better? The main function of PCT is the selective reabsorption of substance like ammonium ion, potassium ion and glucose. Write down beta. With water reabsorption. So I told now me and Sanjay is standing. Sanjay will give back the most important thing. What is the most important thing, Sanjay? Sodium ion, potassium ion and glucose. And I will collect all the waste and give it. Are you understanding? So PCT work. PCT means the first part of tubule. What is PCT beta? First part of tubule. The first part of the tubule in which the vessels will be like this coil. This is called as PCT. And this part is DCT. So this PCT will only reabsorb what? Sodium ion, potassium ion and glucose. It will reabsorb potassium ion, sodium ion and glucose. That's the most important part. I hope you might have understood. Sodium ion, potassium ion and glucose beta. Very good. Remember this little words are there. Last only I am reminding you. So you should not skip from your brain. Okay. So beta, kidney filtration is blood filtration or metabolic waste filtration? Metabolic nitrogenous waste. In human, what are the waste? Carbon dioxide, water, salt, and water. Beta, some animals now you might be seeing that lizards now when they will be putting waste, if they are urinating also, one white color some solid will be there. Understood or not? They are that urea, uric acid part is there now. They also, so most of the animals they are secreting the waste accordingly. I hope everybody understood this one. How is the session, beta? Is it okay? Kidney part, heart part we will do transportation, digestive system already we have done. If you wish, we will discuss. Now beta, one question is there, right kidney is slightly lower than left kidney. Why? Liver. Because of, kidney is present in anterior portion or posterior portion? Posterior. Posterior means back part. Posterior region is back part. I hope you might have understood beta. Now filtration unit, I hope you have understood now beta. Now you will do now glomerular filtrate is deproteinized plasma containing like glucose, amino acid, salt and large amount of water. This is called as deproteinization. So only Ovian, I'm sorry that time I interrupt you and I told it is not purifying, it is filtration. Now I hope you might have understood why it is written as filtration beta. Rather than writing deproteinization, purification, what word we have used? Filtration. Because it is doing what? The Bowman capsule, the glomerular filtrate is deproteinized plasma. I told you now, the other blood cells will not be going. The other blood cells will not be going. The plasma part, the fluid part of the blood will go for filtration. I hope it is very clear to all of you. When then everyone, it's a very important session. This video I have made for you people, that before exams you can sit, you can eat, you can watch TV, and one mobile you can listen all these parts. So it will be definitely highly beneficial for you people. Understood na Sanjay? So look here, deproteinization of what beta? I want you all now read most important words. And when you are writing now, just with pencil underline, so that the teacher who is checking your paper now will have the point of view like this person is knowing in a much better way. And when you are writing, underline the most important highlighting word. Glomerulus filtrate is what? Deproteinized plasma. Deproteinized plasma. And deproteinized plasma is what? Glucose, amino acid, salt, and large amount of water. Understood? Now reabsorption. That's I told now. Reabsorption is done by whom? DCT or PCT? PCT. Understood? You always remember whenever DCT, PCT will come, D means Kushbu aunty, P means Sanjay. Always remember like that. So only I just use that example. Understood not? PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. Understood? And they will be doing reabsorption. What and all reabsorption done? Sodium, chlorine, potassium, glucose, amino acid also is reabsorbed. Underlining down, they are writing in much detailed format. Glucose, amino acid, sodium ion, chlorine ion, potassium ion, and large amount of water. Understood? A large amount of water. So these things are getting what? These things are reabsorbed. These things are getting what? Reabsorbed. So we must remember this one. Now secretion. The filtrate travel through the nephron tubule, excrete by this ammonia into the filtrate urine to maintain pH of sodium potassium balance in the blood. See what salt you are eating now. Most of the time the doctors are telling don't take that much of salt. And if you will not take salt, doctor will tell why you are not taking salt. Means if you will eat also problem, not eat also problem. But because sodium ion is a very important ion present in the activation of neurons. Understood not? So sodium is needed. That see why fasting is prohibition of salt. Did you ever noted that when person is telling fasting, the person who is in fasting, they will be not taking salt. You know why? Because see, understand. Food eating, fruits eating, everything eating, but salt not eating. Because if you will not eat salt, now your body will become lazy. Are you understanding? The most important energy efficient part is Na plus, Cl minus. Understood? So these ions will be doing the neural activities. What they will be doing? The neural activities. So sodium ion has to be reabsorbed. Understood? But maximum has to be flushed out also. It should not be present in the blood for long time. So both things are there. You must remember. So what and all beta secretion? What and all are getting secretion? Hydrogen, ion secretion, potassium, ion, ammonia in urine. What and all things will be there? Hydrogen, potassium, ammonia. And because they are, it is maintaining what? pH of sodium, potassium balance in blood. See, if kidney failure will be there now, this sodium potassium balance will be disturbed. Understood now? And so only the person will die. So kidney failure, so kidney will be exactly saving a very important thing. The kidney is balancing sodium potassium balance. So this balance maintained in the blood means you will be highly hyperactively working. Understood not? But if this balance is disturbed, everything is disturbed. So kidney is one of the sick. People says that heart is one of the most important organ. Yes, I agree that without heart you can't survive. But I agree also one thing, without filtrate means you have to use another process through which you have to keep on filtering the body. I hope you might have understood. And only one basic food item is there. It's not food item, it's life for every individual, every living creature, and that is water. Are you understanding? So to save kidney, the most important medicine for every human is water. Got it? Because if you will not drink adequate amount of water, calci stone will be developed. Where the calci stone will be developed? The calci stone's development will be in this capsule regions. And you know what? In these capsule regions, if there will be stone formation, then what will happen? This stone in due course will come out, and can you see this extensive network? It will stuck anywhere. Understand or not? So it will stuck means it will be like painful affair. Got it? You'll have some pain, but kidney don't pain. In very high problem, it will exactly when it will struck in this region, urethra or this region, if it will get struck. So if the stone will get stuck in these regions or this region, then it will be very highly painful affair. Understood or not? So till that, kidney will take care of that. But kidney is exactly flushing that stones also. Understand or not? So with high water pressure, so what is the best remedy for kidney saving is water. It will maintain pH level. Sodium and potassium ions will be balanced if you will keep on drinking adequate amount of water. Understood? Now, secretion section, listen, I have done some work for you people. Please kindly check this one out. All nephron open in collecting tubule. That DCT will be opening where? Collecting tubule. And there with the urinary bladder, it will be exactly. Now you need to understand one thing. Urine is pale yellow color. About urine, many times questions are asking. See this content, you please remember. See, they're asking what is the color of urine and what is the pH level of urine. They're asking. See why? Because this chapter is not for your score. This is for awareness. Life process chapter and reproduction chapter, control and coordination is for general awareness of a human being. Are you understanding? So they will not ask what is kidney. They will ask this. What is urine? Urine is pale yellow in color. The moment this color will become white, not good. The moment this color will become brown, not good. Understood? So what is the pale color? What is the color? Pale yellow. If you will take some medicines, it will change its color. It will become yellow. That is indication that the medicine sediments are coming in the urine. Understood or not? Due to which chrome? Urochrome. What is the color? Because of, remember, the color of urine looks yellow because of urochrome. Understood? So now look here. It is acidic. What is the level of urine? 6. So it is acidic. It is composed of 96% of water and 2.5% of organic substance and 1.5% of inorganic substances. So urine contains 2% of urea, small amount of creatinine, ammonia, oxalic acid and phenolic acid. Remember this part of urine. What is the color of urine? Pale yellow. Why? Because of presence of urine is acidic or basic? What is the level?
6.
How much water percentage? How much organic substance? How much inorganic substance? Urine contains how much percent of urea? Creatinine and ammonia and oxalic and phenolic acid in very less amount. Understood? How much adult average is urinating every day? 1.5 liters. Understood? 1.5 liters. Note down. These are last moment checklist. Listen, these are last moment checklist from chapter now. Every chapter what I am teaching, last moment checklist you generate. You will not have time to read the full. So last moment checklist you generate very nicely. Urine, simple part. What color? Pale yellow. In arrow you put because of urochrome. What and all things are present? Urea 2.52%. Creatinine, ammonia, oxalic acid and phenolic acid. How much a normal person is urinating per day? 1.5. If excessive of water they will take, then urination rate will change. I hope you might have understood this one. Daily, how much your kidney will filter blood? 180 liters. Wow. How much liters it is filtering? 180 liters. So think for a 90-year person, how much liter it will? One day, 180 liter. 365 days, 180 into 365 days. For 90 years, mass na? For 90-year-old person, how much kidney will filter? Per day, 180 liter. 365 days, 365 into 180 liter. For 90 years. 90 into 365 into 180 plus leap years after every 4 years. 1 days you have to calculate. Understood now? So 90 years divided by 4. Yes, that's what that much filtration is done. So normal healthy adult, the initial filtrate of kidney is 180 liter. The volume of urine actually excreted out is 1 to 2 liter only. How much we are excreting out? 1 to 2. How much getting filtered? 180 liters. So, beta, what is the meaning of renal failure? Renal failure means when kidney failure will be coming. How renal failure will be exactly done? Renal failure will be like either stone was there and stone damaged the corpuscles and it is started swelling. Swallowing means swelling coming inside the kidney or some problem is coming means your knees or body part will definitely stop responding properly. Fever is one of the easiest symptom for kidney disease, and another thing is blood pressure also is there means kidney problem will come. Understood now? So now another important part is artificial kidney is device which remove nitrogenous waste. So now there are two devices in Western countries. What they are doing is one diaphragm like seat is there. They will implant inside the stomach. Means after adipose layer, na, they'll implant it. Understood? And they will put one pipe tube from there. So what they will do, that is called as a natural system. Got it? Like this is the dialyzer. Na? This dialyzer is outside body. This dialyzer will be constituting of everything like glucose and most important parts will be there like carbon dioxide. What you want to release out now, that will not be there. Other than that, whatever is present in the blood, that will be there. So once the blood will start going from renal artery to another section, so the dialyzer, higher concentration of urea and uric acid will be there in the blood because the person does not wait for filtration. Correct now? So what will happen? The chamber will take off carbon dioxide and urea, ammonia, all that waste salt they will take out and they will not at all because higher concentration will always go towards lower concentration, generating a balance. I hope you might have understood. The higher concentration will be definitely switched. That is called as osmotic process. Osmosis. Understood or not? So the movement of the material from a higher concentration to a lower concentration. How is the revision? Okay, so beta this dialyzer chamber, many times they're asking, dialyzer chambers is consisting of what? So we know that dialyzer chamber, that is dialyzing solution. Understood? Used dialyzing solutions with urea and excess salt. Understood not? So here dialyzing solutions will have glucose so that you will not lose glucose from your blood. Understood? So this dialyzer will have what? Glucose. Whatever is present in blood now, that will be there. But what we have to remove, that will not be there. Are you understanding? What we have to remove? We have to remove salt. We have to remove urea. Some ions we have to remove. So that it will not be there. I hope it is crystal clear to you. Understood not? Because nowadays now a person who is going for dialysis, first to kidney failure means there is a must life end. But nowadays, a person with both kidney failure can survive. The life can vary from 5 to 10 years or 12 years. Still, the dialyzer will be. Some people, means I have seen a live person. Her kidney got failed in young age only, 20 years. Now she is 40 years. So from 20 years, she is dialyzing, she is going for dialyzer and she is surviving. Understood or not? There are some restrictions of food. They can't eat nitrogenous waste more. Understood or not? Protein content they have to take less in amount. Understood? Fats content they have to take less in amount. So salt also they have to take less. Otherwise, the ions presentation in the body will become high, and dialysis has to be done very frequently. They will do one thing. They will put permanent to tube here. Understood? In this part, what they will do? Permanent, they will take out two tubes, one very big from there, and one will be connected to one portion, one will be connected to another portion. So one small operation before this they will do. Understood? And they'll take out the vein and they'll connect with the system. So always that, like in life, this becomes your normal part, and you have to respond with that. Got it? Or otherwise, if any person is donating kidney, that time the donor kidney has to match with your, it's not like blood group matching. Understood? Not, it's many things related. The siblings can donate kidney, parents can donate kidney, son or daughter can donate kidney to parent, because the DNAs are close resembling. So the kidney donation is possible. Sometimes the parents are donating kidney to son, daughter, or sometimes the children are donating kidney to parents. Understood? Not? So donation of one kidney is not at all a problem. But what is the biggest problem is body metabolism. See, every people, if this question will ask a person in case studies nowadays, these type questions are coming. A person with kidney failure got accepted one kidney from son or anyone. Understood? After some months, years, the person again that kidney also got failed. Why? Here, kidney matching is a different thing, but you need to understand that why your kidney is problem, because of your body activities. There is something in the body which is aggravating kidney and damaging kidney. So if we will take any other person kidney also, a healthy kidney also, that kidney will not survive, because the kidney will again come in pressure as that two kidneys were. Correct, na? Huh? So that means the body metabolism is one of the responsible reason for kidney failure. Understood? So if we will take kidney also, after some time the metabolism will again damage the new kidney. I hope everybody understood. So what we have to change is what is the biggest problem in the blood coming, because of which the kidney is getting damaged. That has to be first removed. That mean culprit has to be caught, and then only kidney transplant has to be done. That's the most important part. Everybody has to remember. Got it? So sites where waste products are stored in plant, what are the sites? See, you need to understand that for plant, what is excretion in plant? Excretion in plant section from one MCQs hardly in 10 years they have asked. Understood? Not? Where kidney is one of the most important topic, the plant excretion system is one of the most forgotten topic. But we need to remember. See, look at it now. Oxygen itself can be thought as a waste product generated during photosynthesis for plant. Understood or not? So what is oxygen? Many times in plant they are asking, is oxygen taken as a waste product? Yes, oxygen is considered as a waste product. Second part, excess water in plant is removed by process of transpiration. Next, in for other waste plant, use the fact that many of the tissue consist of dead cells. Next, site where plant waste products are there, first you see beta. Cellular vacuoles. I told now in plant the cellular vacuoles are big in size. So at the time of emergency, the vacuoles which is present, which is storing the food item, which is also considered as waste, will be used in emergency. Waste product may be stored in leaves and fall off. Got it? So sometimes leaf will take the waste product and they will fall. Other waste products are stored as resins, gums, specifically known xylem. So whatever gums and resins are coming in plant, sometimes the rubber, that is also the waste product. I hope it is clear. So transportation you have understood nicely or not? In respiration, aerobic, anaerobic respirations, that must have to be discussed one more time. Understood or not? Entire chapter, entire part revision I am giving. I am giving you a break of 2 minutes, 5 minutes. I'll not go anywhere. I'll be here only. It's 1 hour for 4 minutes over for class.